You don't have a focus problem. You have a discipline problem. Look at your life. You start something, then check your phone. You try to work, then scroll for hours. You say, I'll focus tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. This isn't lack of focus. It's a trained habit of distraction. Every time you quit early, every time you choose comfort over effort, you teach your brain to be weak. And now, you can't even sit still for 10 minutes. But here's the truth no one tells you. Focus is not something you find. It's something you build through pain. And if you're willing to embrace that discomfort, your life will change faster than you imagine. Distraction isn't accidental. Every ping, every scroll, every tab is your brain being rewired for laziness. And every time you give in, the habit compounds. The very thing you think is harmless, checking messages, watching a video for a break, is training your mind to wander, to crave comfort, to avoid work. The good news: the same brain that learns to be distracted can learn to focus, and it can happen faster than you think, if you follow the rules of discipline. First, take ownership. Stop blaming your environment, your phone, noisy roommates, cluttered desk. Environment matters, but it doesn't control you. Real focus comes from internal strength, the ability to master impulses, to choose attention even when your mind screams quit. Here's a simple experiment. Turn off your phone. Close every non-essential tab. Set a timer for 10 minutes and focus on a single task. Your brain will fight you. It will scream to scroll, to check notifications, to procrastinate. That's normal. That's where growth happens. Every second you resist, you build a stronger mind. Most people fail because they chase motivation. They wait for inspiration, thinking focus is a gift. But it's not. Focus is a muscle, and muscles grow under stress, not comfort. Every time you resist distraction, every moment you push through discomfort, your brain strengthens. Here's how to rebuild focus fast. 1. Micro commitments. Instead of promising to work for 2 hours, commit to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is manageable. Once you start, momentum carries you forward. 10 minutes becomes 30, 30 becomes an hour. Focus grows in small, consistent steps. 2. Single tasking. Multitasking is a lie. Switching between tasks trains your brain to scatter. One task at a time, done with total attention, builds your focus exponentially. 3. Scheduled distractions. Don't eliminate pleasure. Schedule it. Scroll, watch, or play only after you complete your focus work. This flips your reward system. Now, focus comes first, pleasure comes second. 4. Environment as a tool, not an excuse. Clean your workspace. Close unnecessary tabs. Put your phone away. Tools help, but internal control wins. A disciplined mind can focus even in chaos. Here's why this matters. Every unfinished task chips away at your confidence. It reinforces weakness. It trains your brain to avoid effort, but strength is built in moments of resistance. Every time you resist scrolling, every time you focus despite discomfort, you train your mind to master itself. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Focus is not a reward. It's the path. The satisfaction of finishing a task, of mastering your attention, is deeper than any fleeting pleasure you get from distraction. Let's make this practical. Here's a sequence to regain control fast. 1. Pick the most important task right now. Not tomorrow. Not later. Now. 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Work with complete attention. 3. After 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. Reward yourself, then repeat. 4. Track completed tasks, not hours spent. Completion compounds motivation. This trains your brain in short bursts of discipline, gradually building endurance. Soon, focus becomes habitual, not forced. Stop waiting for motivation. Waiting is the trap. Real focus is built by showing up, whether inspired or not. The moment you stop chasing feelings and start doing, your mind shifts. It stops craving distraction and starts craving discipline. Distractions are a choice. Every time you scroll instead of finishing, you choose comfort over power. But the opposite is also true. Resist, commit, finish, and power compounds. Finish one task today, and tomorrow it's easier to finish another. Your brain begins to crave completion, discipline, and mastery. One more thing, focus isn't just about work. It's about identity. Think, I am someone who finishes. I am someone who masters attention. I am someone who acts despite discomfort. Identity compounds faster than willpower. Every focused moment reinforces it, and soon, your life starts to reflect it. So, here's the challenge. Pick one task right now, not tomorrow, not later. Commit fully. Remove distractions. Work until it's done. Feel the power that comes from mastery. Remember, focus is not magic. It's not a gift. It's built through discipline, discomfort, and repeated action. Motivation is temporary. Focus is permanent. The moment you embrace this, your life changes. Your work improves. Your goals finally become reality. You don't need motivation. You need action. You don't need inspiration. You need unwavering attention. You don't need willpower alone. You need the habit of finishing. Start today. Focus now. Finish first. And watch everything in your life transform.